You are loved, you are loved. You are loved, you are loved. You are loved, oh, you are loved. You are loved by Yahuah. He stretches out his hand to us, an act of worship and true love. The heavens open wide to see. He's revealed his breath to me. You are loved, you are loved. You are loved, you are loved. You are loved, oh, you are loved. You are loved by Yahuah. He adds, secures, and hooks us tight. A gift from Yah, eternal life. He sent his son, a sacrifice, to show how much he loves us. You are loved, you are loved. You are loved, you are loved. You are loved, oh, you are loved. You are loved by Yahuah.
Shalom, Akuti, and Brohim. Thank you so much for viewing this video. We hope it was helpful to your walk in the truth. Remember to always search the scriptures on your own, to study Abba's word and show yourself approved, according to 2 Timothy 2:15. We invite you to study with us. To join us in a live study, just go to our website at assemblyofyahuah.com and click the Join Us tab. We have something available Wednesday through Saturday of every week. If you've been Baruch or blessed by this video today or any other study, we encourage you to go to the Giving tab on our website. Our elders all have their own ways of income, so none of the giving or proceeds go to them. Instead, it goes to biblical assembly needs. We also encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss any new videos. We sincerely pray that Abba continues to direct your path as you acknowledge Him in all your ways. Much Avaha, and again, Shalom.